What Dogelon and Mars think about value expectations. Dogelon and Mars cost estimate suggests a chance of 0.00 for ELON and trading between 0.00. The likelihood of a negative cost for Dogelon Mars ELON in 2040 is basically 0.5241, with a likely kind of beautiful high of 0.6255, which is really big in a bullish situation. In all the important ways, Dogelon and Mars could clearly do better than the 0.95 for 2050. The mark is expected to show vertical energy, which goes against what most people think. In fact, the current price of 0.00000000 Z21 Doge goes against what most people think. Lin, as opposed to what most people think, Mars kind of holds its ground on the lookout pretty well. Starting around December 17, 2023, Dogelon and Mars is trading at 0.000021 in US dollars, with a value change of 0.2% in the last 60 minutes or so they thought. Further appearance how Dogelon and Mars value expectation rundown. Dogelon and Mars cost conjecture recommends a chance of ELON exchanging between 0.0024 to 0.0028 in 2025 in a huge manner, or so they for the most part thought. ELON in a real sense truly has a kind of essentially all-out market cap of 13,711,375, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 351,000. Part is 0.524, with a truly likely lovely sort of high of 0.6255 in a very certainly huge manner, in a significant manner, in the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large basically is the Dogelon and Mars cost expectation end of 2040. What will Dogelon and Mars for the most part especially be truly in every practical sense worth in 2040, or so they generally thought, is Dogelon Mars an excellent speculation or entirely worth purchasing in 2040 in a sort of huge manner, showing how the cost of one ELON would generally truly reach as kind of genuinely high as 0.193 United States dollars by 2030 in a BYY and large really significant manner. In a quite enormous manner will ELON cost basically in every practical sense outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they in a real sense truly thought. These sort of for the most part are our Doge and Mars cost expectations for L future in an unpretentious manner, or so they really thought. Dogelon Mars ELON value expectation 2040 as per the Dogelon Mars conjecture cost and specialized examination in 2040. The ELON cost basically is supposed to really commonly cross an entirely normal value level of 0.0020, the normal in every practical sense exceptionally least value worth of Dogelon and Mars toward the finish of the sort of kind of current year ought to in practical sense sort of be 0.0018 in an unobtrusive way, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Besides, ELON can explicitly especially arrive at a truly greatest value level of 0.0021 amazingly in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon and Mars value conjectured December 2023. In December 2023, the pretty certainly